Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new here, how you doing? Hey, hello. So today, this look was brought to you by the letter K. I purchased some products off of KR Cosmetics website. If you like this look and you want to know how I achieved this look with the KR palette, please go ahead and continue to watch. Before we move on to the next scene where I'm showing you everything you need to know about how to create this eye look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, okay? Because somebody else got to see this beat. Somebody else got to see this beat too. All right? Sharing is caring. Let's go ahead. Let's get started with the video. I am so excited because I finally got my KR palette. I got some lashes. I got a lip. I am really excited to try this K palette. I'm ready to do a cute look. Look how cute this is. Oh, look how it looks on the background. That's cute. I'm just gonna do a look today with this palette with Miss KR's products. Miss Keyshia KR. I remember when Mama was selling lipsticks only, okay? And the lip and the glitter lips. Look at that. This is so cute. It comes with a mirror. It comes with her signature. It closes with 2 magnets. And it comes with this cute little brush. It has like little glitter. Definitely synthetic. I'm not sure. It has her name on it. I think that this brush is adorable. I'm actually going to try and use it. I don't know if this brush is going to be the bomb, but I'm going to try and use it. So I'm waiting to get my hands on this so I can see just how pigmented these colors are. Y'all, this night glitz in the pan is so crazy. Look at that. That's pretty. Look at this black, and you can really see the glitter in it. That's bronze metal, and this one is golden. Okay, let me see flirt. These are like foils. Let me see some mattes. This fire. Y'all don't understand. I've been trying to find a red that's gonna work on my little chocolate brown skin. Hold on, player. What the heck was that? I'm so excited. Oh, we really about to play today. Y'all, we about to play today, okay? We gotta get to the palette. I wanna see how well I can work this. It's something different. It's cute. Just bust you in the face. Burr! All right, that's enough. Okay, so I'm actually gonna try this little brush and see if it's gonna work for me. Since this palette's so big, I'm just gonna put up here which colors I'm using. So the first shade, I'm gonna dip into Sexy. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Miss KR. I am really trying with this brush. Hold on. Okay, wait a minute. Let's just pat it on top. We're gonna pat, swirl it around. This is a cute My First brush, okay? It's not so bad. It just, you don't really have a whole lot of control over it. I'm gonna do like a black cherry type of smoky eye with this or something, because I really want to play with this night glitz. This is pretty. I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush with nothing on it and just blend what I just put on there out. I want to tap into fire. Fire, baby. Oh, fire. You like my fire. I was not on key, so you don't need to tell me that in the comments because I already know that I wasn't on key. But anyway, so I'm gonna dip into fire and we're gonna brighten this up some. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's too pigmented. It's too pigmented. You can see me from a mile away pigmented. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. If this don't convince you to get this, I don't know what will. Look at that red. This is effortless. I haven't put a white base under this, not like a pure white. I just did my Fenty Pro filter. How you get this to be so pigmented, Miss KR? Can you please tell me, Keyshia? I can't take it. I haven't even done anything else. So I'm gonna take my ink blot number 77. I'm gonna put a base under before I put night glitz on. I want my smoky eye to look really sharp, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I want this to be really sharp. If I don't look like a Lost Incredibles character. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do here on camera, and then I'm gonna finish it off camera. I dipped into Night and just patted that on, and Night is just regular black. It's just regular matte black. And now I'm gonna dip into Night Glitz. See what kind of payoff we get. Oh man, that's so stinking pretty. And I'm just patting Night Glitz on my eyelid. Hopefully you guys can see how ridiculous this is. This is pretty. So now y'all can see, like, I'm just packing that on my eye. You know how many sparkly blacks I have that are sparkly? This one is actually sparkly. Like, you can see this and you don't have to like really look hard, you know what I mean? Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of highlights. Do gold in here and see how I like it. If not, I might switch it. Hold on, Golden, you might need something else. You might need to lay that down a little bit differently. I'm gonna spray my brush and see how that lays down, because I'm just tapping it in a spot, and with it being so soft, it might need a little bit of help sticking. Oh yeah, that's much better. Ooh, she is cute. Oh, she cute. I think I'm gonna put an eyebrow highlight just because I want to keep playing with this palette. I think I'm gonna use the shade Flirt and put it under my brow bone. She's cute. She shouldn't go under the eyebrow bone. She's way too bright, so hold on, y'all. Please hold. We're gonna have to switch that up. Okay, we're gonna switch to Rose Gold. And you don't have to do this. I literally just want to keep playing in this palette. It's fine the way it is. Yeah, Rose Gold could be like a nice creamy under the brow highlight. That looks a lot, but look, Flirt needs to get fixed. Ooh, I really like this. I'm gonna go ahead and open up Miss Kayor's lashes. I can't remember if these lashes had a name, but this is how they come with Mrs. Davis herself, this beautiful lady. Let me show you what they look like. Okay, these ain't so bad. These are very lightweight. It has a very thin band on it. But yeah, these are real cute. These are cuter on than they are looking at them. We'll just add some Water Brat to the cheeks. And it goes really well with the look too. I'm gonna spray my face. And this is my Cover FX Dewy Finish Spray. Y'all, the Cover FX, the spray, popping. Now I'm gonna go in with So Sexy. Oh, it smells like peppermint. Okay guys, that is it. This is the finished look. If you are wondering if I'm feeling myself, then that answer would be yes, absolutely I am. All right. Listen, this is a whole look, a whole vibe. I can absolutely thank Miss Keyshia, Kayor, Mrs. Davis. Listen, oh, my lashes are on my eyeballs, duh. Yes, these products, this palette, I think is definitely a necessary in the collection. It's different, it's cute as heck. Miss Keyshia, you did a great job on this palette. I ain't looked this sexy in a minute, okay? And I'm sexy, okay? Now I know what my clients feel like when I get done doing their makeup, because I don't really give myself a full beat like this, but I felt like it was definitely necessary if I was gonna work with Keyshia Kayor's palette, because she's always full on beat. It don't matter where she at, her face be snatched. I'm gonna have the link down below to Miss Keyshia Kayor's website so that you can get some Kayor products, because look at my face. Baby, I look good, okay? So go ahead, get you this palette. Honey, you gotta get, like, I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I cannot. I hate that I'm literally about to go to bed, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video because people need to know about this, okay? Miss KR, please keep creating products. I'm gonna need another palette. I'm gonna need something else. This was lit. Somebody gotta have this. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.